Gloster Canaries are small, charming songbirds known for their unique haircut appearance. They come in two types: the corona, with a distinctive crest on its head, and the consort, which is smooth-headed. Originating from England, Glosters are popular as pets due to their sweet temperament and pleasant singing. They are easy to care for, thrive in cages or aviaries, and enjoy a diet of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. These birds are also bred for show, with their compact body and calm behavior making them favorites among bird enthusiasts.